What is the history behind modern audiometry testing? Imagine a time before electronic devices when hearing tests relied on simple tools like tuning forks. That was the beginning of understanding how we hear. In the mid-1800s, doctors used tuning forks to check if sound vibrations traveled properly through the ear. The Weber test, created in 1845, and the Rinne test, developed in 1855, are still used today to get basic clues about hearing health. These early tests helped identify if hearing loss was in the outer, middle, or inner ear but didn't give precise measurements. As the 19th century turned into the 20th, scientists started developing more scientific ways to measure hearing. Gustav Theodor Fechner, a German scientist, described methods like the method of limits and the method of adjustment. These techniques helped find the quietest sounds people could hear, called hearing thresholds. In 1885, Arthur Hartman created the first audiogram, a graph that shows how sensitive a person's hearing is at different pitches or frequencies. Later, in 1903, Max Wien improved this by plotting hearing thresholds across various frequencies, laying the groundwork for the modern audiogram we use today. The real breakthrough came with the invention of electronic audiometers. In 1919, German engineers developed the vacuum tube audiometer, which could produce pure tones at specific pitches and loudness levels. This allowed for more accurate and standardized hearing tests. In the 1920s, Western Electric in the United States started making commercial versions, making it easier for clinics to perform consistent tests. The first clinical report of pure tone audiometry came out in 1924, emphasizing the importance of testing different frequencies to understand hearing loss better. During the 1920s, the modern audiogram was refined by researchers like Fletcher and Wedgel, who helped standardize how hearing was measured and recorded. In the 1940s, clinical audiometry became more detailed with books and protocols, like Cordia C. Bunch's 1943 guide, which still influences testing today. The 1950s saw the rise of tests for loudness recruitment, helping distinguish different types of hearing loss. In the following decades, new tools emerged to look beyond just hearing thresholds. In the 1960s and 1970s, audiologists began using tympanometry and acoustic impedance testing to check middle ear health. These tests measure how well the middle ear transmits sound and help diagnose issues like fluid or ear infections. Scandinavian researchers pioneered many of these innovations, making it possible to see how the middle ear responds to sound. By the 1970s and 1980s, audiologists could also use evoked potentials, electrical signals from the auditory nerve and brainstem, to assess hearing without relying solely on patient responses. Speech audiometry, which tests how well someone understands speech, also became a standard part of hearing assessments. These advancements made hearing testing more comprehensive and accurate. Later in the 20th century, automation and computer technology began to transform audiometry. Techniques like Bekischi audiometry let patients control the volume of sounds themselves to find their thresholds. While not common in clinics, these methods influenced the development of automated systems that are now standard. Today, modern audiometry combines pure tone testing, speech understanding assessments, and middle ear evaluations to give a full picture of hearing health. All these steps, from tuning forks to electronic and computerized systems, have helped us better understand hearing loss and how to treat it. Today's audiometers are precise, reliable tools that help diagnose the type and severity of hearing issues. They guide treatment plans and help monitor hearing over time. This long journey shows how scientific progress and technological innovation have made hearing testing more accurate and accessible, ultimately helping millions preserve their hearing and improve their quality of life. Remember, if you have concerns about your hearing, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.